What's up, Poke fam? Everybody saying the Pokemon 30 celebration is a guaranteed investment, but I don't think so. And I believe they're missing something. And I'm gonna give you my reasons why that I believe it's not a good long-term investment. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna hit y'all with production lineup. There's so many products that's coming out, of course. The reprints, you have production lineup, which automatically with the reprints. You have the MSRP not starting off at MSRP. And you also have, hint, 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 pre-orders that came out. So let's get started. GameStop started with their pre-orders with not actually at $49.99 MSRP. They started at 100, went to 150, well, 120, 150, 175 to 200. Then they got that call from Pokemon and said, chill out, because we seeing what y'all doing and we don't like that. So get back to what you're supposed to be doing. So they lowered it to $100. So anybody out there that didn't have the pro account, you was allowed to pre-order 2. If you had a pro account, you was allowed to get 4, or some GameStops, you was allowed to order as many as you want, which I know a lot of people order 20, 30, 40, 80, however it goes. Now, the reason why I'm starting with that is with the pre-orders, because, right, a lot of you guys are quick flippers. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to call scalpers because we all scalpers in it, if you look at it. But you got the quick flippers and you got the good resellers. And then you have the investors, right? So we're gonna start with the quick flippers. The quick flippers who like to sell their stuff at the end of the week, the end of the day, 3 days, going into the weekend, going into the next restock for the next week, right? So if you guys pre-order at $100, normally you guys like to get y'all ETBs for $50, anywhere from $60, and sell it for double to make about double your profit, if not a little bit more. So you guys are starting off at 100, meaning what you guys gonna sell it for? 150, 175 to 200, and you got about 8 to 10 of them. Yes, you're gonna eventually move them, but that is a tough number. Now you gotta think about it. The 30th comes out the same day everybody else around the world, on the 16th. Meaning you still have places like Best Buy MSRP, you still have Target, you still have Walmart's. Now, Best Buy and Target, you can get 1 and 2 allocations, would be 1 ETB to 2 ETBs. Walmart gonna let you get 5, so some people can get 2, some people won't get a lot of them. So, meaning those are still at MSRP. A lot of people already backing out, waving the white flag. I'm not gonna get anything. You don't know until you try. So that's one method. Get out there and try. Don't complain about it. Get out there and try. Second of all, right, with your UPCs that's coming out in November, those are going at max at 500. Now they don't reach to about, they knocked them down with what? 200, 250 to 300 to pre-orders at the GameStop, meaning MSRP prices $179.99, which is going to be $180 to $200. Meaning if you went and pre-ordered already, you already into your profits, meaning you're not going to make no profit out the gate. I'm sorry to tell you this, unless you got somebody that's just super thirsty, cup on empty, ready to drink. Those are the ones that's going to buy that product. Anybody else is going to wait to see if they can get a little bit cheaper, if not MSRP, if not release date, or they're going to keep catching the restocks, okay? So, $300 when they come out, $179 when they come out. How many people are going to go try for the $179, then sit there and pay the $200 to $300 when they first come out? Remind you, this is not a one-time thing. Celebration is here for a year, not when the ball drop. 1 year. So you're going to have 1 year and some change, family, to get as much 30th celebration products as possible. And from what I'm hearing, the reprints are going to be crazy. From what I'm hearing, the queue numbers and when they're going to be coming out is already twice as much as when they put out all the Mega Evolutions series so far. So that let you know that the product lineup and everything that's coming out is going to be triple, from knockout boxes to ETBs to text stickers to binders to UPCs and all of that great stuff, family, and EX boxes and figurine collections. So it's going to be multiple of chances, meaning that's going to kill your profit margins into those years. Not saying now later on, 5 years from now, yes, your ETB is going to be worth what the 25th ETB is. Now, when I want you to look at that 25th and 20th celebrations, go look at how many it has been sold and look how it's doing under the margins. Really look at it. Go find the line of it. And you can see that it's been stagnant. People with that type of capital and that equity are going to buy those, right? But the stuff that's in those products, the packs, 5 cards in each pack, comparing to 10 cards in regular and regular product lines and sealed packs and stuff like that, and in different products and stuff like that, you got to fluctuate that. You know what I mean? And if you guys want to go look at the 20th, which I'll have in the picture right there and stuff like that, the 25 and the 20th, the cards are not that valuable, family. Anything from Sword and Shield, anything from X and Y, anything from Sun and Moon, Scarlet and Violet is beating all the 20th, the 25th, all of that. It's just worth more money because it's an anniversary. It's been 20 years. It's been 25 years. It's been 30 years. Your product is only going to be worth because the nostalgia of the years is worth, not the cards, family. I'm going to repeat. Your product is going to be worth because it's been 30 years since Pokemon came out, not the cards in there. Because if you go look at your Crystal Lugia and all of that, and the Gengar that's going to be in the lineup set, if you go look at Prismatic and 151, Sword and Shield, all is going to beat that. Now, the products where I'm investing in, right? Where you spending $500 on your UPCs for the 30th, you could be getting 2 SPUs of Prismatic Evolution. Right now, they're $220. Right now, they've been in the Targets, the Walmarts, there have been a lot of reprints, a lot of restocks, a lot of this, family. So as of right now, the prices did drop on these. These was going up at $400 to $375. These will get back to $400 to $500, and these will be at $1,000 into 2 to 3 years because it's going out of rotation. So these are a guaranteed win, and you can get a case of these for the price you're going to spend on 4 of these at your GameStop when you do your pre-order. So you could have buy 2 cases of these by time, and you could flip these right now. So not only you can get your money right now and double your money on these, you can get these for $130 at your Target and sell them for $230. You can make you $100, so you can go get more. You can buy them at $220 and sell them at $320. Either way, you're gonna make money right now and later, okay? And even with the ETBs, there have ETBs out there for $50, $60 in the stores. You can find them and sell them at $150, $160, $120. So you can get your money now and later when it comes to Prismatic, any product of Prismatic, because it's going out of rotation this April 10th. Now, the second is 151. A lot of people say, yo, D, but the SPU in 151 is already $600, $800. That's fine. If you have the capital and equity, go and get you some, because that'll go up to eventually 1,000. And remember, it's the original set. 151 is nostalgic. So not only going off of the nostalgic, you're going off the cards and the product that's in those lineup. And also, this right here was $50 at Sam's Club. This right here is going for $98. This was a $200 box, as you can see. This Gengar down here, if it comes back a PSA 10, is going for $800 to $900. So the value in these promo cards, if you have these even in your bulk, not just these promos, the regular holographic Gengar is going for $700, PSA 10 to $300. It's money. So you can flip the small cards, the $3, the $8, the $10 cards, the $20 cards, the $50 hearts, and the $400 cards, and make your money still with 151, Paldea Evolve. You can go to Fusion Strikes and get you an ETB and still make money because it's the top cards, family. Where there's booster boxes from Brilliant Stars, Evolving, a lot of that stuff you still gonna do your value wise and your profit. But far as what you want to make your money now and later, 151, anything Sword and Shield, far as Lost Origins, Brilliant Stars, Fusion Strikes, Chilling Reign. If you want to go Sun and Moon a little bit, but right now, with your money wise, Mega Evolution, you want to get yourself some booster boxes. $300, $320 to $330 is for Mega Evolution base set booster boxes. You can go get you 2 of those for the price of the 30th celebration UPCs that's gonna come out, family. You can go get you Phantasm Flame right now, which is $400 a booster box. That Charizard. If you guys want to know, in history, there are been six Pokemon that always, through the test of time, is always gonna sell. Charizard, Pikachu, Gengar, Mewtwo, Mew, and Umbreon. If you go, I'm telling you, family, them six Pokemon I just named, go look them up from starting back. Umbreon is a little bit new. It ain't coming until later, a little bit later, you know, after, you know, all of that. But those six Pokemon, every generation, every set, they do well. Why you think there's a Phantasm Flame? Why you think every generation they print out a new Pokemon series, a new generation, they throw in those six Pokemons, whether they have their own set, like Prismatic, Evolutions, 151, Charizard, Gengar. Of course, you're gonna get those ones. They, over time, those are the top six Pokemon sellers of all time. Now you can go look that up, check it out. You know what I'm saying? So with that, and think about it, Ascended Heroes. What do Ascended Heroes has? It has Mewtwo, it has Pikachu, Gengar, you know, it has a Charizard Y in there. You even have a Dragonite. So the two lesser end that's in those fields that was considered the top 10, other than the six, you still have that set. I would go invest in Ascended Heroes because it has at least 4 of the top 6 Pokemon in there if you want to consider Dragonite into the top 10. So that's a great investment. That goes out of rotation 2028. You know what I'm saying? Destined Rivals. You can go get you some booster boxes and ETBs. There's our reprints coming to those. So just, that's what I want to come with and give y'all my opinion of what I think investing in and what I think is a bad investment.